picture.
Are you hungry?
Yung kamay mo, daddy. Alisin mo yung kamay mo. Oh, yan, yan. O, yan, ganyan daw gumawa ng movie, anak.
I'm just bored. Like
Ganyan daw gumawa ng movie, daddy. Konti-konting picture
I
lang.
need to swim.
Tayo na, Ben. Let's go. Oh, ito naman, Rishi. This one.
This.
Riz. Nasulat siya. Anong tawag dyan? Harmonograph. See? Yeah, it's right here. So, nag-alis mo, iniwan na nga sa food. Look, oh, na ganun, oh. Yay! Finish!
Go, bitaw. Enough na. Chloe, wag na ikaw magsusot ang sus mo dyan. Tingnan mo, mama, butas yung ano, ha? Yung... Labas ang tit. Yan. Yes, baby? Yeah, ate. Kasi living things. Hindi pwede. Makapagalitan tayo na Hori, did you see the bunny? Did you see the bunny in the yellow house? In the yellow house?
Don't put it ha. Hold only. Hold only ha. Hold lang, hold. The white one is likotan. This one is not likot. This is fluffy. Hi, Bunny. The white one lang kasi yung nasbait lang siya. Pompong isbait. Ay, not done, not done. Yeah, wait for daddy. So, we wait for daddy. Wait for daddy, so. Don't put the ano ha, the ear. Touch only, pet only. Very good. Very good. Daddy, hap, hap, hap. Ay, daddy, daddy, daddy. Daddy, Tulok at the goat naman. Goat naman yun. Tulok at the goat. So, we don't habol na scared siya kasi baby pa siya. Bigay mo kayo. Dito kayo, dito. Zoe, come here, come here. Zoe! Zoe, other bunny daw. Favorite nila tong si Pompom. Si Rizzy nagpangalan niya. Bigay mo.
Sabay tayo rin sa bag.
Hi, ate. Where are we going today? Where are we going? Zoo. Here's our other child. Zoe wala. Rizzo. Hey, daddy. wala si Zoe ganito kasi baby. Pag baby, walang ganito. Pwedeng free, pwedeng pumasok ang baby kahit walang ganyan. Oo, yung baby, walang ganyan. Tingnan mo yung ibang baby. Tingnan mo, pwede ang wagon. Wagon. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, ate. Okay, go inside. Yeah, say hi. What did you say? Hi, Nancy. Not yet, not yet. Look at the monkey. Baliktad. Funny. They're climbing. Like, look, oh, ayan. It's moving. Hi, monkey. They're playing. Are you playing together? They're playing. Anong eat nila? Banana. Malikot yung monkey. Come here, Zoe. Look at the monkey, Zoe. There. Do you see? What is the other monkey there? Look at the baby monkey. Oh, it's so small. Later, Baba. This in the monkey forest. Okay. You see them playing? Wala na. They were inside. Oh, look at the monkey. Oh, kita mo yung monkey. Oh, ang galing. Galing. Busy. Playing, playing. Playing. Hi, monkey. Oh, oh, so fast. Oh, so fast.
Strong ang kanyang hand.
Oh, let's go. Other monkey. Here, it's here. Ayun, oh, did you see it? Ay, iba pala to.
Stop.
Hi, dear. Look at they're eating the leaves. They're eating them. Let's go to the bear and the panda. Ay! Okay. Ano rin mo? Oh, look! It's hindi ano ang tawag doon?
Capybara.
Yeah, it's a capybara. It's a capybara. Tayo safari pala, driving safari. Ah, may water. Gusto nila ng drink. Drink sila ng water. Ah, let's go, anak. Gusto ka? Yeah? It's a porcupine. Meron siya spikes, oh. Spiky, spiky. I cannot touch it now. Spiky, awi mag-touch. Kasi pointy yung ano niya, skin niya. See? It's so pointy. Matutusok. Kaya. Say bye-bye na. Ate. tayo matutusok, no touching daw. Bye-bye, porcupine. Yeah, it looks like a kangaroo. I think kangaroo. He's a So let's go sit down. Yeah, I'll ask Dad. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, mouse deer. It's like a deer and a mouse. Come on, Baba. Bird. What's that? Rhino. Let's go. Bye, Rhino. Reese, what's that? Reese, what's that? Is that your favorite too? Yeah? Do you see it? Malapit dad mo yung makikita. Can you see it? You love it too. You like giraffe? May ostrich on the side. Katabi ng giraffe. You already saw that deer. You already later. What else do you want? What?
So, yung elephant.
Hi, elephant. It's Sydney and Seaboy. No, it's you. Big. Yeah. Hi, Sydney and Seaboy. Tingnan mo na, it's all of the it's all. Tingnan mo pa yung si Ellie. Nakita mo? Dito lang tayo. Ang big ng elephant. Tingnan mo yung lalagay niya sa mountain food. Ayun. So,